Color accounting is the first step in the process, the journey of offering quality accounting services. The reason for this is because it is a very engaging and yet easy to understand way of learning the accounting model, both for the accounting professional and for the client. Most importantly, what we're doing here is we're helping tell the story of the business through numbers. You've perhaps heard the phrase, accounting is the language of business, and it's for good reason. It's meant to tell a story of a company and what's going on within that organization. The transactions telling basically whether or not things are doing well, there's a return on investment, or whether or not there's challenges or struggles based on perhaps cash flow needs that the company has. Color accounting is excellent as to helping the accounting professional bridge that communication barrier and help clients better understand the information they're receiving from their financials to make more informed business decisions. For the accounting professional, what we're basically doing is we're taking and learning the accounting process in a storyboard form. And we're using basically an interactive guide to allow us to experience accounting as we've never done before. It's through this hands-on process that we're able to visually learn through colors and interaction what is actually going on within an organization. And it's through that experience that we're able to be, in fact, that translator we need to be as accounting professionals to help accounting or business owners use this accounting information to make business decisions. For the non-accountant, color accounting is the excellent program needed to actually open up that dialogue and allow them to comfortably learn and understand what's going on within their business through the accounting information. So when you look at color accounting, you'll notice that it actually begins this process to offer quality accounting services. I invite you to not only enroll in and take color accounting as a course to get the bridge that you need into the business world, but more importantly, prepare yourself to communicate effectively with your clients. For the non-accounting professional, this is an excellent introduction to the world of accounting and what is actually going on within an organization based on the traditional accounting model. None of this is done through the traditional language of debits and credits, but rather through this interactive experience based on color and moving transactions around on a board so that you can actually experience the accounting as it does occur within a company. So I invite you to enroll in color accounting and see what it is you can do and what you can learn from this color accounting experience and have fun doing it. Enjoy, and remember this, if it's about accounting, it is universal.